Namaste, welcome to Perseverance IAS. These are the important articles that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper for July 6, 2021. The first article is CBSE to cut syllabus, hold board exams in November and April. You have to read this article just to get an understanding of what is the policy that they are adopting and why they are adopting and why it is significant. This might lead to future changes in our examination patterns and evaluation patterns. So you have to read it from that perspective. The next article is SC aghast that section 66A of IT Act is still used. You have to read this article from the perspective of what is section 66A, why it was struck down, why it is being still used, or what was the reason given as to why it is still being used, and from that perspective you have to read it. And there is a chance that it might be a potential question in either regional exams because of the nature of the incident. That is why I just give a little bit of concentration to section 66A of IT Act. Now moving on, Twitter failed to comply with IT rules, says Center. You read this article from the perspective of understanding what has been going on. So you use this article to create a timeline of events. Apart from that, it is not that significant. Just create a timeline of events with the beginning of issues with central government versus Twitter vis-a-vis the IT rules, and this might be a point in that timeline. Now facial recognition used to verify job beneficiaries, says government. Again, this is informative because they didn't intend to deploy it in large scale. Since it is being tested as a pilot project, just be aware of it. If and when they introduce it in large scale, we might use this as a best case example. So we don't have much in the city, or we don't have much in the form of editorial. We have good articles in op-ed, so we are going to skip this. So in editorial, I suggest you read Gauging Pandemic Morality with Civil Registration Data. You read this article from the perspective of two things. What is CRS? How it is being implemented? What are the problems in CRS and why it has been in discussion or in currency due to COVID-19? From that perspective, you read, and you also try to bring in a perspective as to why data error or sources of error happen in India. Now, the challenge here is to bring in a relationship between why there are errors in data, why it is an imperfect system, and what are the best ways to improve it. So this article is from that perspective a little bit important. But the article that I want you to concentrate more on is crafting a unique partnership with Africa. So recently there was a similar editorial in Hindu itself where the author was talking about why India needs to pursue an independent and try to re-energize and rethink and recalibrate, or whatever it is, the African policy. My humble suggestion is try to link up that editorial with this editorial. That editorial talks about what are the problems with this editorial, talks about what the Chinese are doing it and what we should be doing. So at least from my reading I understand what the Chinese are doing, so you will get a good answer out of these two articles. Please read that article once again, make notes of that article, and then read this article as a potential situation to give an example of what the Chinese are doing and what India should be doing. So the next article that I would suggest is, will a national judiciary work? Again, go through this once, go through what are Indian judicial services, why they have stalled, why they are different from what we are having right now, and why they are being halted, or why they are preventing this from happening. From that perspective, just get a bearing. Now moving on, again page number 12 doesn't have much, page number 9 doesn't have much, but page number 10, Cowin made open source PM. Get his perspective, why open source, why is it significant, how successful the Cowin platform is. Moving on, cities along river urged to include conservation plans. Number 1, what is National Mission for Clean Ganga? What is this policy document talking about? Who is issuing this policy document? Where they are trying to implement this policy document, and what is master planning and why it is significant. Try to concentrate on that, and also get a bearing as to whether the Clean Ganga mission has been successful or not, or at least has been able to successfully implement certain short-term goals or long-term goals. Try to get a good understanding of National Ganga or Clean Ganga mission. Now, survey of class 3 students set baseline for literacy goal. Yesterday there was an article that talked about literacy, numeracy and so on and so forth, and where I said that you have to understand Nipun Bharat mission and Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan or whatever it is. This article talks about why they chose class 3 as the base class, or why they chose class 3 as baseline set of students. Please read this article, get the 3 or 4 points regarding why the government chose or the mission chose class 3 as the inflection point, and get a good answer out of it. Next article is over 1000 Afghan troops flee to Tajikistan. Again, why they are fleeing is important. What is the situation? Nothing of importance, just to get an understanding of what the hell is going on in Afghanistan. Again, you read this article to understand what are the challenges that they are going through currently in Afghanistan. To get an understanding of ground reality, you have to read this article. Armed men kidnap 140 school students in Nigeria. Map pointing question. If possible, try to understand, because this is not new. Nigeria has been going through the Boko Haram thing where some 600 or 700 girl students were kidnapped. Similar thing, read, keep it in mind. If and when comes out, try to use it somewhere. Apart from it, not important. China wants to expand ties with Europe, Xi tells Macron and Merkel. Understand this, there is a word that he uses where he says that Europeans can play a more proactive role in international affairs and achieve strategic independence. Achieve strategic independence means he is directly saying that, without saying it, you European Union countries are still operating under the umbrella of United States. Come out of the umbrella, try to join with us and pursue an independent policy. Don't be the fiduciaries of America. Try to be independent. From that perspective, try to read this word and get one more thing. What was the agreement that the European Union countries were trying to agree with, what was the agreement that they were trying to formulate with the Chinese government in the past few weeks? Why it was stopped? Because the European Parliament halted the ratification of the investment plan. What is the investment plan? Who initiated it? What investments does it talk about? From that perspective, read this article. It is very important actually. Though small, the information behind it is much more important to you than anything else. Now, after cyber attack, hackers demand 70 million. What is the name of the hacker group? What they did? That's it. The group is Revil. It is a Russian speaking group. We don't know where their origins are. That's it. Just remember the name. Apart from it, not important. Israel looks to renew law that keeps out Palestinian spouses. Again, just get an understanding of what this law is, what it talks about. Apart from that, not important. The next article that you have to read is services shrink most since July. What services are they talking about? Why they shrunk? What are the significance of that shrinkage on recovery of our economy? From that perspective, please do read this article. Now, this article is important because global investors flag some Atmanirbhar reforms. See, criticism is common. I humbly suggest that you read this article from the perspective of those people who are talking about it, global investor perspective. What are the specific reforms regarding Atmanirbhar initiative are they talking about, and why they are talking about it like that? From that perspective, just get an understanding. It's not that we are criticizing the Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is just to get a perspective that is other than the Indian perspective. So when you talk about such things, we tend to become so Indian that how other countries are trying to take advantage. No. To get an understanding that is not Indian, try to come from their perspective. Whether it is good or bad, irrelevant. For us, their perspective is a little bit important to just give a contrasting answer. Now, policy black holes spook space investors. Again, same thing. What is the policy that they are talking about? What are the sectors that they are talking about? What are the challenges? And if you have any understanding of the whole thing, try to come up with a point of view that allays all those fears as a possible solution in your answer writing. Mains, prelims may, that's not significant. Now, Pansia gains on DCJ nod for Sputnik 5. Again, just an informative article, nothing of significance. These are the important articles that you have to read and concentrate on in the Hindu newspaper for July 6th. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.